I started DeKalb Tool and Die in August of 1968. Myself and my wife was the secretary. We started building progressive dies and metal stamping dies. That was our bread and butter.
I've been with the company for 42 years now. The early 2000s, a lot of products that were being manufactured in the United States were going offshore. And in order for us to still be viable, we needed really to come up with a product of our own. Wall control came about with us looking for a product that we can make for ourselves, and the fact that the pegboard in my shop had rotted.
And he was aggravated with the fact that the pegs kept coming out. And he came in one day and he said, you know, we should be able to make something that would do a better job than this.
And with the resources that were available at our manufacturing facility, I thought I'll just make something to replace it. The product came out very nice. The owner of the parent company, who I've had the great fortune of loving and marrying his daughter, partnered with me on the idea. Together, the two of us began wall control in 2003. I think the best products are the ones that actually solve problems. That's one of the great benefits of wall control. In addition to that, it does it aesthetically pleasing. It's not an intimidating product at all. You simply pull it out of the package and shoot the screws into the wall, and in a matter of minutes you're storing your product. The fact that it's made of steel makes it incredibly durable. The fact that we powder coat it gives it a nice finish. The neat part about the product is it really doesn't have a demographic. It doesn't matter if you're a woodworker or work in a kitchen. If you have things that you need to store, it applies to you. When we first tried to launch the product, our plan was to take it to trade shows. We drove to Chicago, we drove to Las Vegas, we drove to Orlando. My oldest son, who graduated as a mechanical engineer, went to him and said, look, I think we got a great product. I think you do a great job selling it. Between what I know about manufacturing and between his ability to sell, it's been a good combination. I couldn't have got to where we are without him.
I always wanted to go back and work for my family. It's a cool product, but I just felt like it was going to be something. At the time, it was me and a guy in the warehouse that had no office space. So it's grown a lot over the years. We just moved into a 55,000 square foot distribution facility just for wall control with offices.
I came on 7 years ago. My brother actually asked me because it was getting to a point where he couldn't really manage it by himself. I remember my dad, him actually sketching on the kitchen counter the first original wall control panel. And just to see that concept turn into what it has been. We've got inventory wall to wall. The growth, it's dynamic, it's lively. I can't imagine doing anything else.
It continues to head in that direction to like the tune of overwhelming percentages. Wall control is available through really any major retailer, both industrial and residential. It's very high quality. You know, we back our product with a lifetime warranty. We want to make it good out of the gate. One of the things about our product that's so unique, I think, is its wide range of appeal. From industrial, commercial outfits all over the country, all the way down to a little girl in a playhouse with pink pegboard. That's the span of potential customer, and we try to tailor what we think they might need for each and every one of them. We create our product to be attractive so that you would want to put it in your room. It's designed to be a modular system, so you would build out your space based on what you wanted. So we have 12 different panel colors and finishes in several different sizes, and then a ton of different hook assortments. Between all of that, you can create a totally custom look. Another important feature is our product is entirely made in USA. From domestic steel to manufacturing, we keep it all in-house until we ship it out. And that gives us a unique opportunity to follow its quality control from beginning to end. We have always stood by that. That's been a very important piece to us personally.
We built it with the intent that we were going to make a lot of them. We designed tooling that would allow us to mass produce. It's been the plan from the start that wall control would actually be a great benefit to the original parent company, DeKalb Tool and Die, and I think that is very beneficial to both.
Here at DeKalb Tool and Die, wall control today is one of our bigger customers because of what we provide for them.
One thing we're excited about are the relationships we have with those that have helped us grow. We have a great brand ambassador program. We have a great relationship with our retailers.
Hey, I'm Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and we are in my workshop here in Richmond, Virginia. All my tools had fallen out of my pegboards because it was all droopy and humid and everything else, and I was like, I just spent this money on these tools and everything's falling out. There's got to be a better solution out there. So I reached out to Wall Control and I was like, hey, this metal pegboard thing, I think this could be perfect for my shop. Hey, do we want to partner up? And here, several years later, it's been great because I'm really sort of the gateway of bringing this product to my world of DIY and woodworking. And now we're able to bring in brand ambassadors and other influencers, and people are loving it.
Sometimes it's difficult enough just to be family without introducing the element of business into it. The thing that I think I'm probably the most proud of is that I think Wall Control has actually brought us closer together as a family. It's not often that a dad gets to go to work and visit with his children who are working and his wife. I feel very fortunate that we all get to work together.
It's a blessing to me to get to work with my son-in-law, my children, my grandchildren. You know, don't everybody get to do that.
I really think we're blessed with how we all work together. We've come a long way, but I really feel like we're just getting started. We have a lot of plans for new products. We're excited to keep moving it forward.